The Great Soap Making Showdown. Palm versus Lard. Calling all soap makers. Are you ready to rumble? In the red corner, we have Palm Shortening, the vegan warrior known for its versatility. In the blue corner, it's Lard, the traditional heavyweight, packing a punch of creamy lather. Which ingredient will reign supreme in your soap-making adventures? Let's dive into the ring and explore the benefits and considerations of each contender. A soap maker's dilemma. Choosing your champion. Choosing between palm shortening and lard can feel like a real dilemma. Each ingredient brings its own set of benefits and challenges to the soap-making process. Both ingredients have their own unique strengths and appeal to different soap-making philosophies. Understanding these can help you make an informed decision. Palm shortening, derived from the fruit of the oil palm tree, is a popular choice for its smooth texture and ability to create a hard, long-lasting bar of soap. Its consistency makes it easy to work with, especially for beginners. It's also a vegan-friendly option, making it a hit with those who prefer plant-based products. This can be a significant selling point for eco-conscious consumers. Lard, on the other hand, is rendered pig fat. While it may not be vegan, it is a sustainable option if sourced responsibly. It might sound a little old-fashioned, but don't let that fool you. Lard has a rich history in soap making and offers unique benefits. Lard has been used in soap making for centuries, prized for its ability to create a luxuriously creamy lather that leaves skin feeling soft and conditioned. Its moisturizing properties are hard to beat, making it a favorite for many traditional soap makers. Palm shortening. The versatile vegan. Let's start by exploring the world of palm shortening. This plant-based powerhouse is a favorite among soap makers for its versatility. Palm shortening is like a blank canvas, allowing you to experiment with different fragrances, colors, and additives without overpowering the final product. It's also known for its consistency, producing reliable results batch after batch. For soap makers catering to vegan customers, palm shortening is a must-have. It provides the same creamy lather and hardness as animal-based fats, making it a fantastic alternative to tallow or lard. Lard, the creamy, eco-conscious contender. Now let's give lard its time in the spotlight. This humble ingredient has been used for centuries, and it's time we revisit its many benefits. This traditional ingredient might not be as trendy as some of its plant-based counterparts, but it definitely holds its own in the soap-making ring. Lard soap has a rich history and has been a staple in many households for generations. One of the biggest advantages of lard is its affordability and accessibility. Unlike some exotic oils that can be quite expensive, lard is often readily available and budget-friendly. It's often much cheaper than other soap-making oils, especially if you have access to a local butcher or farmer. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking to make high-quality soap without breaking the bank. Plus, using lard in soap making is a great way to utilize the whole animal, reducing waste and promoting sustainability. By incorporating lard, you're making a conscious choice to support eco-friendly practices. But the real magic of lard lies in its ability to create a luxuriously creamy lather that's hard to beat. This lather not only feels indulgent, but also provides a superior cleansing experience. This rich, bubbly lather isn't just indulgent, it's also incredibly gentle and moisturizing, making it ideal for those with sensitive skin. Lard soap can help maintain the skin's natural moisture barrier, leaving it soft and hydrated. Section 5. Weighing the pros and cons. Factors to consider. So, we've explored the individual strengths of palm shortening and lard. Each has its unique properties that can affect the final product in different ways. Now, let's compare these two contenders head to head, considering factors like availability, cost, customer preferences, and sustainability. These elements are crucial in making an informed decision for your soap making needs. When it comes to availability, both palm shortening and lard are readily available in most parts of the world. This makes them convenient choices for soap makers everywhere. However, the sourcing and ethical implications of palm oil production have come under scrutiny in recent years. The environmental impact, including deforestation and habitat destruction, is a significant concern. If you choose to use palm shortening, it's important to source it from sustainable and ethical producers. Look for certifications that ensure the palm oil is produced in an environmentally friendly manner. Cost-wise, lard often takes the lead, especially if you can source it locally. Local sourcing not only reduces costs, but also supports local farmers and reduces the carbon footprint. Palm shortening can be more expensive, especially if you're opting for sustainably sourced options. The higher costs can be a trade-off for the ethical benefits. Customer preferences can also play a role in your decision. Understanding your target market is key to choosing the right ingredient. Some customers might be specifically looking for vegan soaps, which would make palm shortening a more suitable choice, while others might prefer the traditional feel and lather of lard-based soaps. The rich, creamy lather of lard-based soaps can be a significant selling point for some customers. Ultimately, weighing these factors carefully will help you make the best decision for your soap-making business. Consider the long-term impacts and benefits of each option. Section 6. Crafting your soap story. Goals, audience, and experimentation. Ultimately, the choice between palm shortening and lard comes down to your personal soap-making goals, your target audience, and your own creative vision. Are you passionate about creating vegan and cruelty-free products? Palm shortening might be your go-to. Do you prioritize affordability, tradition, and a luxuriously creamy lather? Lard could be your champion. The beauty of soap making is that there's no right or wrong answer. It's all about finding what works best for you, your customers, and your values. Section 7. Small batches, big discoveries. Test and learn. The best way to choose between palm shortening and lard is to experiment with both. Try making small batches of soap using each ingredient and see which one you prefer working with and which one produces the results you're looking for. You can even get creative and try blending palm shortening and lard to combine their unique properties and create a truly custom soap recipe. Section 8. Share your soap making saga. What's your experience? Have you used palm shortening or lard in your soap making adventures? What are your favorite things about each ingredient? We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Share your stories, tips, and tricks in the comments below. Section 9. Embrace the creative journey. Experiment and enjoy. Remember, soap making is a journey of creativity and discovery. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try new things and find what works best for you. There's a world of possibilities waiting to be explored, so grab your ingredients, put on your creative hat, and let's get soaping. Want more soap making tips, tricks, and inspiration? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more soapy goodness. Happy soap making!